Hi guys, how are they? So let's just quickly do this. This style I'm about to do, before finishing it, you know that I've done the style before. But someone said I should please use another fabric to do it. Because the fabric I used before is that drawing materials. So that elastic materials. But now this one is not elastic. So let's just quickly do it. If you have not watched it, the one I did before, you can quickly scroll down, then you see it. So then we'll bring it like this. So this is where we are bringing it up like this. But what we need to do is to use a rubber band. We're going to use rubber band, put it in the middle like this. Yeah. So you put it in the middle, then you're gonna bring it out. Then take it to the back. If you like, you can spread it. If you like, you can leave it like this. So it will be like this. Then you bring it again. So try to suck this ant inside here. Do you know the reason why I'm sucking? So that it will make that back to stand normal. Then you now bring it. You bring it here. You are going to suck it and bring it out. Oh, you have to adjust it. So guys, if you notice something here, you see that I've adjusted the rubber to the front little. So what you're going to do here is to spread it. So let's just try to shift the rubber little. Yeah. So then you spread. So we are not going to allow the rubber to appear. So you see the remaining hand, you find somewhere at the back to suck it. You can see. So make sure you allow this thing to cover here. So find somewhere at the back to put the remaining one. So this is the bag. Let me show you the remaining bag as in the bag. Let's see how it look like. So my people, did you see it? Please don't forget to help me share my video, guys. I love you. Bye.